We were nearly facing a war last year, and ever since Prime Minister Modi scrapped this special status for Indian administrated Kashmir last August, it's getting even more tense. What is your government doing or planning to diffuse these tensions with New Delhi?
Look, I was the first political leader to warn the world about what has happened in India. India has been taken over by an extremist, a racially extremist, exclusive ideology, which is called Hindutva. The ideology stems from RSS. RSS was born in 1925. Its inspiration was the Nazi Party in Germany. A nuclear-armed country of 1.3 billion people is in the hands of extremists. And so not only are people of India going to suffer, and they are already suffering, their rights in India and their demonstrations, but Kashmir, to be specific, 8 million Kashmiris now for over 5 months are in a state of siege. And it's because of the RS ideology, which believes that only India belongs to Hindus, other minorities are inferior.
But Prime Minister Khan, there are many Pakistani people who also say that the human rights situation in the Pakistani part of Kashmir is also not perfect. How do you answer to that?
This is very easy. Why do we invite anyone anywhere in the world can come and see the Pakistan side of Kashmir? And then they go and see the Indian side of Kashmir. Let them decide what is the difference.